guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7, here with the first start for this awesome Toyan X Power. Now this thing is pretty cool. There's a lot to it. It's a fantastic kit. As you can see, there's a lot going on. Now I've started to make sure everything works, and it does. I've added my own little system here for the oil catch can, as you can see. So that is, because it's a nitro, the fuel and oil are mixed, so when the fuel goes through the motor, the oil will come out here and catch here and not just go on the ground, which is pretty sweet. I think it's a good idea. But first go, let's hear it start. These exhausts sound pretty cool. Now I've got to double check with Toyan to get a more indication, like a clearer picture on how it actually shifts, because it's not as easy just going 1, 2, 3 and it'll change from first, second, third for first gear. So I've got to figure that out, but we do have it in first gear. It goes in reverse, neutral and first, but we'll do many videos of that. I just want to get this video out to show you how it sounds and that kind of stuff, because I want to start on the body as well, and then we can just kind of wrap it up and keep going with the build process. But let's have a look. So this here is just a fuel filler neck, pretty much. Got this little rubber kind of or plastic cork, and this kind of just sits in here, just kind of like that, out of the way. You have your breather, and then you have your main there for the supply. Single carburetor. It's got like a fuel pump on there. We'll see how that goes, but I'm running 25% nitro, and we'll see how it runs. Like I said, that is your catch can. It normally just runs out the bottom, but turn on the radio. And now what I did as well, I've actually made it to 2 servos, because generally it's only one. I don't like the system where it's kind of on and off. It's got one servo just here, so this servo is kaput. I've already kind of stripped it, but whatever. But this is my own mod here. I like having a throttle servo. So what we need to do, obviously turn on the radio. Running a 6-channel radio here at the moment. It's actually got, I think, 12 channels, this particular receiver. So we plug it all up. And the good thing about this electronics that come with this kit, only ignites the igniters or the glow plugs when you push the button. So that's really cool. It doesn't stay on, so you can leave it plugged in. That's why there's only one battery for all this system, which is mad. The other ones have to have like 2 or 3 to get going. Alright, I'll push this button of the controller. Sounds quite nice. Look around to the exhaust side. Quite nice. That's it, lighting away. And obviously you can adjust the trim and all that kind of stuff. Let's put it on the ground and give it a little test. Now on the control, like I said, I have a push button start here. This one here, as you can see, activates. That's for like forward, neutral and reverse. And this one here, like the little toggle switches, they activate first, second and third. Now I just got to figure all that out. But when it's lowest like that, I know it's in like the lowest gear, and when it's in the center, just there, it should be in neutral. So let's start her up. Push this button. Now if I push this forward, oh sorry, the other way. You can see. Now the brakes, like I said, the brakes aren't working because I stripped out that little servo. So I've got to figure out medium and high gear. That's suspension work. Now let's flip it into high. Oh, yeah, that's a little bit quicker. Sure, let's put it in reverse. Not really for not a speed demon. I love it just for crawling. So let's take it over here. Let's just put it in. This says it's in low gear. So this is in grass, and some of those other kits that I've done, like my own, definitely would have get bogged down really easy. Getting there, pretty cool. What do you reckon, Zach?
Yeah, mad.
Running low on oh, you're running low on the juice there. How's it looking? Oh yeah. Whoops. What do you think? Pretty fun? I think it looks cool. Glad it runs. Obviously a little bit of tinkering with that gearbox. I'll check with Toy and see what they recommend, but happy days, at least it ran. And yeah, let me know what you think. I think it sounds pretty sick with that exhaust. Alright guys, interested? Links are down below. See you next time.